Today, I share with you one of those recipes that you can make without water. Today, we are making these shiny, rough buns without water. Hello, creative mangas. We have an interesting one today. Start by adding 2 eggs in a bowl. To that, moving with sugar. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more or less. I am going to whisk on high speed for about 5 minutes or till it doubles in size. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing for about 5 minutes, this is what we have. Now I'm moving with 2 tablespoons of milk powder, a cup of vanilla flavor, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 1 cup, then I will add the remaining one later. Once I add the first one, I am going to mix. Please check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurement. I'll also drop the list at the comment section. Alright, now after mixing, the dough will be a bit sticky. Moving with the remaining flour. Alright, go ahead and start mixing till everything comes together. You don't need to be rough with the dough. Alright, gently mix till everything comes together. Now you should have something like this. Alright, now after mixing, you are going to let the dough to rest for about 5 minutes. Alright, cover and let it sit for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, voila, it is time to take it to another level. At this point, you can roll or mold in any shape that you prefer. This is the shape that I'm going for. Now, I take a little bit of the dough, mold in a round shape. All right, once that is done, I am going to press life out of it. Once that is done, with the back of a knife, I am going to make a design. Like I said earlier, you can make or mold in any shape that you prefer. One thing about homemade is that you get the opportunity to do whatever you want. We'll take that one more time. Beautiful shout out to you, Juliana, watching from Nigeria, Hania from Pakistan, Nancy from Liberia, Mata Maria watching from Brazil, and Rosemary all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, after making the design with the back of a knife, please be careful while doing that, alright, so that you don't hurt yourself. I would not advise you to bake this recipe or air fry. You may not like the texture at the end of the baking or air frying. The best method for this recipe is frying with an oil. In a deep hot moderate oil, throw the boys one after the other. If you watch upon this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Now, after dropping into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Flip them around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once they become golden brown like so, they are ready. Take them out of the hot oil. You just made yourself a delicious, fluffy, shiny buns. Serve and enjoy. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. The texture is very light. Yeah, it is very light in texture. Even a day-old baby can handle this recipe. He or she can play with it as a toy. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. So filling, very delicious and yummy. Trust me when I said that you can eat 10 pieces of this and you won't even feel like you ate something. What will you be pairing this with? Let me know at the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.